You get paid. The money hits your account. For a moment, you feel a surge of relief, maybe even a little excitement. Then, the bills start rolling in. Rent, utilities, loan payments. Poof. Just like that, a huge chunk is gone. And for the rest? It just disappears. Maybe a spontaneous dinner here, a forgotten subscription there, a few impulse buys. Before you know it, you're staring at an empty account again, wondering where it all went. Sound familiar? Most working adults experience this exact cycle, feeling like they're trapped on a financial treadmill, constantly running just to stay in place. But getting nowhere. It's frustrating, isn't it? That feeling of never quite getting ahead, of living paycheck to paycheck, even when your income feels decent. The truth is, it's not always about how much you make. Often, it's about how much control you have over where every single dollar goes. And for most of us, that control is, well, it's loose. It's reactive. We pay what's due, spend what's left, and hope for the best. But hope isn't a strategy. And that's precisely why today, we're going to talk about a game-changing approach, the zero-sum budget. Or, as it's more commonly known, zero-based budgeting. It's the closest thing to total money control you'll ever find. Now, don't let the name scare you. This isn't some complex accounting trick, no. It's actually incredibly simple and powerfully effective. Imagine every dollar you earn comes with a name tag, with a job. In a zero-based budget, you literally assign every single dollar you expect to earn in a given month a specific purpose. Every single dollar. Your income minus your expenses and savings equals zero. Not because you spend it all, never, but because you account for it all. Every dollar has a home. Rent, groceries, savings, debt payments, even your morning coffee, everything gets a line item. Nothing is left to just disappear into the ether. So, how do you actually do this? It's easier than you think. Step 1. Know your income. This might seem obvious, but be precise. What's your total take-home pay for the month? If it varies, use a conservative estimate or average it over a few months. This is your total pot, your starting line. Step 2. List all your fixed expenses. These are your non-negotiables: rent or mortgage, car payment, insurance, loan minimums, essential subscriptions. Write them all down. Every single one. Step 3. Tackle your variable expenses. This is where the real honesty comes in. Groceries, dining out, transportation, entertainment, personal care, clothes. Be realistic. If you spend $500 a month on groceries, don't budget $300 just because you wish you did. Start with what you actually spend, then look for areas to optimize later. This isn't about deprivation yet. It's about brutal awareness. Step 4. Assign every remaining dollar a job. Once your fixed and variable expenses are accounted for, you'll have a number left. This is the crucial part. Don't just leave it as extra. Give it a purpose. Is it going to your emergency fund? Towards a down payment on a house? Paying off high-interest credit card debt faster? Funding that dream vacation? Or maybe it's your designated fun money for the month. Every single dollar gets a designation. The goal is that when you subtract all your planned expenses and savings from your income, you end up with zero. Meaning, you've planned for every single dollar you earned. Now, life happens. Of course it does. Your grocery bill might be a little higher one month, or an unexpected car repair pops up. That's okay. A zero-based budget isn't a rigid cage, it's a flexible framework. The beauty is, you see the impact immediately. If you overspend in one category, you have to consciously decide which other category you're taking from. Maybe less dining out, or delay that new gadget purchase. It forces a conversation with your money, a proactive one. And that's where the true power lies. You become the CEO of your money, making conscious decisions instead of just reacting. Tools like budgeting apps or even a simple spreadsheet can make this process incredibly straightforward. No fancy software required. The first month can feel a little clunky, a little new, maybe even a bit tedious. But stick with it. Because what starts to happen is truly transformative. You stop wondering where your money went. You start to build that emergency fund faster than you thought possible. You see your debt balances shrinking. You gain this incredible sense of peace and control. The stress of living paycheck to paycheck? It starts to fade. You're not just saving, you're building a foundation. You're not just investing, you're funding a future you've intentionally designed. This one simple shift, this act of giving every dollar a job, compounds for years, setting you up for true, lasting financial freedom. Imagine that freedom. Imagine knowing exactly how you'll reach your next big financial goal because you've already planned for it, dollar by dollar. That's the power of the zero-sum budget. It's not about restricting your life, it's about intentionally designing it. So, are you ready to stop watching your money disappear and start telling it exactly where to go? Give this method a try this month. You might be surprised by how quickly you gain total control. And if you're looking for more practical, actionable steps to build wealth and stop the money stress for good, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Trust me on this.